Hi every people, we are together right now. Today we are going to talking about these historical presidents. First is the George Washington, second is Abraham Lincoln. Those are presidents of USA. First is Washington. Washington is the first president of USA. He was a leader of military. He did many things like to fight for freedom or for Britain. Then Washington did many things which marked him as a popular one in USA. The first dollar in USA characterized by his photo. George Washington is the best president and is the first president who ruled USA. Second president, we are not going to talk about the second president, but the second president who did things which very good in the whole world is Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln did not study. Abraham Lincoln born in poor family. Abraham Lincoln was a good public speaker. He was a good public speaker. He is a 16th president of USA. In the history, take this man as a hero, as person who made things for interest of people. Abraham Lincoln encouraged people to hard working, work together, teamwork, and other things. Abraham Lincoln is the good president in the USA. George Washington and Abraham Lincoln made many things which is marking them as a people who is very intelligent. Okay, make subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to get more videos. Like, share and comment. Thank you.